In this aid, we will voice our in every way that really matters, own and market's viewpoint on Nexo future while examining Nexo cost figure for 2022 and past in a sort of commonly significant manner. If it's not too much trouble, explicitly remember that you ought to especially take this and any sort of truly other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything certainly is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Nexo in a fundamentally significant manner. Presently, how about we head into it, which is genuinely critical. Before we dig commonly most certainly profound into the Nexo value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Nexo by and large is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will Nexo for the most part succeed or in every practical sense, for the most part fall flat, or for what reason will Nexo value rise or drop, we should rapidly in a real sense toss a look at what is Nexo and its to-date history incredibly, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cap sort of is Nexo in an unpretentious manner. Nexo is a decently certainly novel loaning stage that permits you to procure revenue on your digital currency interests in an unpretentious manner. Loan fees essentially fundamentally differ by dissemination technique and coin, yet you can hope to in every practical sense, procure somewhere in the range of 6% and 12% APR in a truly significant manner. In fact, Nexo explicitly is situated in Switzerland, which really makes it kind of less powerless against expanding U.S. guideline of crypto loaning stages. Nexo additionally permits you to take out credits in view of how much cryptographic money in really your record without selling essentially your coins and repurchasing them, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Financing costs for advances, especially in every practical sense, start at 5.90% APR, or so they thought. However, you can't at present trade digital currencies through the Nexo stage. The crypto bank account supplier essentially generally offers a higher return strategy for financial backers to fundamentally bring in cash on especially inactive coins and fiat, or so they thought. What does the Nexo especially token certainly do in an especially huge manner, which is genuinely critical? Nexo was made during the eco, and disseminated to the group and sort of early adopters, or so they fundamentally basically thought. The firm offers up to 30% of its benefits with Nexo holders. Incredibly, the Nexo token supports the credit and store biological system. Holding the token qualifies purchasers for a 30% portion of organization benefits, similar to a profit, which is very critical. Nexo claims it really has paid more than $9 million to token holders beginning around 2018, or so they sort of thought. The token likewise quite has a kind of most certainly couple of advantages for digital currency premium record clients. In the case of holding Nexo, clients can, 1. Procure an extra 2% APY on their stores, bringing stable coins up to 12% and other digital currencies to 8% in a significant manner. 2. Get 5.9% for Nexo's moment crypto credit lines. Other cryptographic money premium record stages in a real sense have comparable tokens. Celsius in a real sense has Cell. Crypto.com generally has CRO, or so they thought. They certainly appear to be a most certainly fundamentally means to more and boost early adopters to utilize the stage and generally hold the essentially token in a quite large manner. Nexo value expectation for the sort of next 90 days. The entire crypto world truly is on an edge of an undeniable sort of bear market, which sort of is very critical, or so they truly thought. Bitcoin generally has in every practical sense, drooped half from its record-breaking reasonably genuinely high in the midst of a more extensive market drops influenced by seething expansion, and US took care of rate expansions in an extremely large manner, which is genuinely huge. Financial backers truly are selling unsafe resources and moving into commonly more really stable business sectors. Crypto, in a real sense, is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe for the most part play and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees a sum especially green in 2022, particularly in the kind of in every practical sense, second piece of the year. This explicitly is in a real sense most certainly reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a by and large nearby base before we can move in every way that really matters, inverse course and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will basically generally begin to explicitly certainly do likewise. We for the most part have seen this situation many certainly times in the separated and substantially more late history. Our cost expectation model sort of is negative for the in every way that really matters, next 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other certainly greater players in the market to basically wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike, or so they thought. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and essential evaluation of each undertaking, which really is very critical. Essentials that we sort of assess sort of in every practical sense, are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other in every practical sense, restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. October 1, 2022. Plus 7.79%, $0.9836. October 2, 2022, which is genuinely huge. Plus 1.35%, $0.9248 in an unobtrusive manner. October 3, 2022 in an unobtrusive manner, which is very huge. Plus 3.88%, $0.9479, which sort of is very huge. October 4, 2022. Plus 2.81%, $0.9381 in a significant manner. October 5, 2022, or so they for the most part thought. Plus 2.31%, $0.9336 in an unpretentious manner. October 6, 2022. Plus 2.84%, $0.9384. October 7, 2022. Minus 4.03%, $0.8758. October 8, 2022. Minus 5.53%, $0.8620, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. October 9, 2022, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Minus 5.97%, $0.8580 in a significant manner. Nexo Value Forecast 2022. Our forecast model sees an impermanent change to a bear market toward the start of 2022. Proceeding, we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2022, which most certainly is genuinely huge. 2022 October, in spite of mainstream thinking. Minus 12.22%, $0. 8010-2022 November in an unpretentious manner.